In today's video, I'm going to talk about how literally anyone can make money online, right? Doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter what you do, literally anyone can make money online. I'm going to break down in this video how literally you can even start this straight away and start making some money, right? Now, if you're new watching this and you don't know who I am, my name is Alim and I quit my 9-to-5 job back in the UK, right? I used to live there. I was there for 27 years. I used to work several 9-to-5 jobs. I had enough. I wanted to make money online, so I quit my 9-to-5 job. I packed my bags and I moved to Dubai, right? And now literally under 2 years later, I now run a 6-figure online coaching business that's completely changed my life, given me freedom, and again, allowed me to live in the greatest city in the world. Now, I'm talking about in this video how literally anyone can make money online. Doesn't matter where you're from, doesn't matter what your age is, right? Literally anyone can do it. And to be honest, I'll give you guys an example of one of my clients, right? Who within literally a couple of weeks at 16 years of age was able to make his first £2,000 online. And the point is, this is just to show you that anything is possible, that literally anyone can do it. You guys can start the one skill consulting business model, start making money with it straight away and completely change your life, right? And I'm going to explain later on in the video what the one skill consulting business model is and why I believe that to be the best business model online, which can completely change your life, as I mentioned already. So you need to understand, firstly, because a lot of you guys have limiting beliefs, right? You feel like you can't achieve something, or you feel like most people that are making money online either are exceptional, or they're doing something wrong, or they are more intelligent, or whatever the case is, right? Whatever it is that you believe is not true. Because I wasn't the most intelligent, I guess you can say, especially with the risk I took. I don't do anything morally wrong, right? I always try to do the right thing, and I always want to help people, right? And I wasn't brought up around exceptional circumstances either. So the point is, right, anyone can do this business model. All you have to do, firstly, is try and believe it's possible. These two things are extremely important, right? Let's start with the first one, which is one of the most important things, which is believing it's possible. Because a lot of you guys, right, you might go into online business, or you might be doing something, and you go in with the mind frame that I don't think this is going to work, or you're going to go in with that mind frame, let me try it and see what happens. Because you go with that mind frame, nothing changes, right? Your life stays the same. But ultimately, you also need to try it, because a lot of you people might believe it's possible. A lot of you people might believe you can achieve it, but then you don't try, right? So these two things are extremely important. Now, I run my own online coaching business where I work with people and scale them to 10K a month by using the one skill consulting business model, where essentially you sell your skills and knowledge to high ticket clients, right? So if you guys are interested, click the link in the description below, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you, okay? Now, what is this one skill consulting business model that I keep talking about? What is this business model? How can it make you money? You know, how can anyone do this, right? Well, let me explain. The one skill consulting business model essentially means is that you sell one of your skills to high ticket clients, right? Now, when I'm saying selling your skills, I'm talking about selling them at high ticket prices. So that's anywhere upwards of $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 plus, right? Which basically means, let's say you charge $5,000, you only need 2 clients a month to make 10K a month. And it's literally as simple as that, guys. Because you selling your skills and knowledge online is one of the most powerful business models that anyone can do. Now, this is often referred to as a coaching business or a consulting business, right? Ultimately, it's the same thing. You're selling your skills and knowledge online to high ticket clients. And the reason why anyone can do this is because everyone has a skill, right? Everyone has a skill that they can sell. Doesn't matter how old you are, doesn't matter where you're from, you've got some skill that you're good at and most people aren't, right? For example, there's a woman here in Dubai that teaches people how to knit. Now, me and you can both agree, right? Knitting is not a high level skill. Knitting, in fact, I would say is one of the most low level skills out there. But she's still able to sell that and make just under 20 grand a month. Now, for a lot of you guys, 20 grand a month will change your life. I'm sure 20 grand a month will allow you to move where you want to move to, live the life that you want to live to, live in the country that you want to live to. But the most important thing that you get from this business model is freedom, right? Which is what I was after, because yeah, you can make a lot of money, but there's so many business models that tie you in, maybe to a geographical location, maybe in terms of work hours, whatever it is, right? That ties you in at some sort. For example, when I used to do YouTube full time, and I did this for about 6 months before I started the business model that I'm talking about now, with YouTube full time, I was locked in with sponsorships, right? So I had to do what they told me to do. I had to make the videos they told me to make. I had to do it in the time frame they told me to do it. So I went from a 9-to-5 job doing YouTube full time, realizing that it's basically the same thing. The only difference is rather than having one boss, I've got multiple bosses, right? And I wanted to work for myself. I wanted my own freedom. I wanted to wake up when I wanted. I wanted to do what I wanted, right? And that's why I started the one skill consulting business model. Obviously now I make well over 6 figures a year doing that, and it's completely changed my life, and again allowed me to live here in Dubai. But because I do an online business, guys, I have freedom to live wherever I want, right? Tomorrow I can go to the UK for a bit. I can go to Saudi Arabia. I can go to Qatar. I can go to the US. Wherever it is that I want to go, I can go. I don't need to ask for leave. I'm not tied down here. No, I've got the freedom because I run an online business. And this is why having an online business is one of the best business models out there. And again, the one skill consulting business model allows you to sell something that you're already good at, right? So this is why you guys can leverage a skill that you're already good at and sell it into the market, right? Now, you can sell it for $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000. It depends on your level of the skill, right? And it depends who you're helping. And the beauty about this business model is that you can get started with this straight away and you can start making money with it straight away. I remember when I hired my first mentor, I made 10 grand in a month, right? So my first month of doing this business model, working with a mentor, I was able to make 10 grand. And this is what I'm trying to say to you guys. It is so possible for you to make money straight away with this, right? And it doesn't take that long either, because once you start making money, you can kind of see, okay, cool, this is what I need to do to make money. It makes you believe it's possible, and you start working hard. And the best thing about this business model is that you're helping people, right? And I personally believe the more people you help, the more money you're gonna make in life anyway. And business in general is providing value in exchange for money, right? It's simple as that. So how do you start the one skill consulting business model? Well, it's extremely simple. All you've got to do is find your skill, package it into an offer, put a price tag on it, find out your deliverables, find out the ICP that you're targeting, create content, get people to book in a call with you, and ultimately sign them onto your program. And again, guys, I work with people on a one-to-one basis doing exactly that. So I help you find your skill, package it into a program, put a price tag on it, find your ICP, help you make content that gets you clients. And I do this by working with people on a one-to-one basis. So if you guys are interested in working with a mentor who can help you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month by using this one skill consulting business model, click the link in the description, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you exactly how I can help you. But honestly, guys, this business model is extremely easy, right? Again, it's changed my life. It's changed a lot of my clients' lives as well. And this is the new business model that people should be doing, right? Because nowadays it's so easy to create content. It's so easy to, put yourself out there, create a personal brand. And creating a personal brand, by the way, is one of the most important things, right? Because it helps you put your personality out there. It helps you be discovered. It's marketing, and a personal brand is extremely powerful. And this is how you can leverage your personal brand to sign clients for your one skill consulting business model. And it's really easy, guys. I've worked with so many clients who have got some fantastic results working with me. You can literally check that out by clicking the link in the description and checking out my testimonials. But honestly, guys, if you're working a 9-to-5 job, right? Maybe you're working 40 hours a week. Maybe you see your boss and you hate him. Maybe you don't get paid enough, right? I've been there. I used to wake up early in the UK, go to work, see my boss who I used to hate. He used to give me tasks, and we'd have a falling out, and I'd get paid like 2 grand a month, come home at the end of the month, and I'd have no money left because it would all go on bills, right? And I didn't want to live my life like this. I didn't want to live my life continuing by doing this. So all I did, guys, was take action. All I did was say, you know what? If someone else can do this business model, if someone else can make money online, why can't I? And that's why I took a risk in my life. I quit my 9-to-5 job. I went to Dubai. I hired a mentor, and that completely changed my life. Now, if you guys want to do the exact same thing where you can hire a mentor and change your life, and you want to work with someone that's done it like myself, click the link in the description, book in a call with me. What we'll do is jump on a call and I'll show you guys exactly how I can actually help you. Or alternatively, guys, if you want to know this business model in a little bit more detail, click the video that you see on your screen and I'll see you guys there.